In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Gmail in Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Workspace homepage. This is your starting point for managing all things related to Google Workspace, which is Google's suite of productivity and collaboration tools. Once the page loads, look for and click on the Admin Console option. This will take you to the centralized area where you can manage users, apps, and various other settings. With the Admin Console open, your next step is to navigate to the Google Workspace dashboard. This dashboard serves as the command center for all your Google Workspace services. Now find the Apps section, which is where you'll manage all the applications available within your Google Workspace. Upon entering the Apps section, you'll see a variety of services listed. You'll need to specifically click on the Google Workspace link. This will provide you with a list of the different apps that are part of the Google Workspace suite. It's here that we can toggle on or off specific services based on your organization's needs. Next, look for Gmail in the list and click on it. This will lead you to the settings page for Gmail, allowing you to configure it according to your organization's preferences. Once you are on the Gmail settings page, you'll notice a service status option. This is an important step, as it is here you can ensure that the service is activated for your organization. Click on Service Status to reveal the activation options. You'll want to select the On for Everyone option to fully activate Gmail for all users within your organization. This step is crucial to ensure that everyone can access and utilize Gmail as needed. Voila, you have now successfully activated Gmail within your Google Workspace. This activation allows you and your team to start using Gmail for all your communication needs, taking full advantage of Google's robust email platform. Remember, activating Gmail means that all your users will seamlessly benefit from a unified and efficient email service that integrates perfectly with other Google Workspace tools. So there you have it, a simple, efficient way to activate Gmail in Google Workspace. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips on managing your Google Workspace.